Greetings from Nova Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2020 Chevy Equinox LT. Vehicle's in beautiful condition. It's got about 46,000 miles on it. Clean title, really in amazing condition. Tires all the way around look brand new. Vehicle drives perfect. Silver color with black interior. Backup camera. Brake assist. Beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and take a close look, and we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of this vehicle. Really amazing condition. Take a look at the front bumper. Looks brand new, amazing condition. It's got a tiny little mark right there on the bumper. Look at that. That's about it. Beautiful condition. Take a look at the front headlamp on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. Look at that. Very nice. Driver's side headlamp, also in beautiful condition. Lower lights, also in amazing shape. Very nice condition. Look at this. Beautiful condition. Hood's in beautiful shape. It's got a little blemish right here. And here, small little chip mark. A couple little chip marks up here. Nothing major. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. Windshield's in beautiful shape. Really outstanding shape. Take a look at the fender on the driver's side. Amazing condition. Super clean. Driver door, also in amazing condition. Very nice. Rear door on the driver's side, also in amazing condition. Super clean. Quarter panel on the driver's side, also beautiful condition throughout. Rear bumper's in great shape. Looks amazing. Rear hatch is in beautiful shape. Very nice. Glass is in beautiful condition. Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. Quarter panel on the passenger side. Outstanding shape. Very nice condition. Rear door on the passenger side, also in amazing condition. Looks super clean. Front door on the passenger side, amazing condition. Got a small little tiny chip right here on the paint and right here. Besides that, looks perfect. Front fender on the passenger side looks amazing, super clean. Let's take a quick look at the roof. Roof is in beautiful shape. No chips, no damages on it. No dings or dents. Looks super clean. Very nice. Okay, that's going to conclude our walk around on this one. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. On the driver's side, look at that. Front door panel looks amazing, super clean throughout. Take a look at the controls. Very nice condition. All right, let's take a look at the driver's seat. Also in beautiful shape. Cloth's in great seat. Full set of floor mats. Dashboard steer looks brand new, really in amazing condition. Look at that, very nice. We're taking a look at the front passenger side door panel. Beautiful condition, outstanding shape. Look at the armrest there, look at the controls. Very nice condition, super clean throughout. All right, take a look at the passenger seat. Passenger seat's in amazing shape. Very nice, rugs are clean, full set of floor mats. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. We're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Door panel's in outstanding condition. Look at that, super clean. Really nice. Let's take a look at the rear seat. Beautiful condition. Super clean throughout. Look at that. Very nice condition. Rugs are clean, full set of floor mats. Here in the center has a couple AC vents. A couple USB plugs back there. That's nice. Beautiful condition. All right, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition, clean throughout. Very nice, really outstanding shape. Take a look at the rear seats. Also in beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2020 Chevy Equinox. We're gonna go ahead and start this baby up. As you can see there, this one has lock unlock, remote start, and power trunk with panic. Look at that. Original key fob. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and put it down here for now. And let's go ahead and start this baby up. So you're going to press the brake. It's got a push button right there. So we're going to go ahead and press the brake and push the button to start it up. Starts up perfect. No issues at all. This GM product's always, the gauges go up and down. So you verify the gauges are all fully functional. Very nice. This one has 46,177 miles. And this one is a LT, so it has the automatic braking system in the front. So right now it's turned on. Actually, this is for the lane assist here. And this is the one for the front. So right now it's on. Look at that. Very nice. Take a look there. You can set it however you want for closer distance or further distance. That's perfect. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the power windows, power locks, power mirrors, the controls. Controls for the lights, has automatic lights. There's a control for the braking system. And you can set the cruise control on there too. On this side here is the information center. Turning signals. Wipers. This is also the lights over here. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Look at that. Really outstanding shape. Very nice. Taking a look at the automatic transmission. Beautiful. Controls for the AC. It's got a really nice information center. We'll go through that now. Let's put it back on home. So you have audio, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, settings for the car, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and OnStar. So let's go to audio. And then these are all the settings you could have. AM, FM, Siri satellite radio, and Bluetooth. We'll go back this way. Go to home again. So that's if you're going to set up your phone. You can pair it. Very nice. The Wi-Fi comes with Wi-Fi. Perfect. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. So if you go ahead and set that up, you got to have it plugged in. Just plug it in. That's it. That's all you got to do. Cancel that out. All right, we'll leave it on the main menu. Down below here, it's got a couple of USB plugs with auxiliary and a power plug there for your phone if you got to charge it. Electric brake. It's got manual shift modes here on top. You can see there, the little storage area is nice and clean. Let's see what's in the glove box. Glove box, it has the books and stuff are in there. Full set of books. Very nice. That's pretty much it on the interior. Up above here, you got a little storage area for your sunglasses. The light for the passenger seat in case somebody's sitting there. Courtesy lights and OnStar. Very nice. Beautiful condition. Let's take a quick look here at the liner. The liner's in amazing shape. You can see there, it looks brand new. Very nice. Let's take a look at those visors with lights in them. The driver one, also with lights in them. Very nice. All right, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We're all set to take it for a test drive. We already have it in gear here. Let's go ahead and take it for a spin. Super smooth. Nice, nice quick movement on this one. Feels good. Accelerates perfect. Shifts nice. Feels really good. Super smooth. Brakes perfect, feels good. Very nice. Accelerates really nice, feels super smooth. Brakes feel good. Really nice drive. All right, let's go ahead and check out the backup camera. So go ahead and you put it in reverse. And this one's really nice because this one, when you turn it, it actually has the little section there that turns back and shows you which way it's going to roll. Look at that. It's really useful. Okay, that's pretty much about it. So see how the little lines turn on there? Perfect. All right, well, that's concluded our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment, the tires, and the cargo area in the back. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Cargo area is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice. Down below here, got a little storage space there. Beneath that, you have your spare tire, your jack. Really nice. Beautiful condition. Now, if you need any more space, you can pull these things here and those seats fold forward. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Perfect. Very nice. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice. Really outstanding condition. Super, super clean. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire's brand new. Look at the tread on there. Rim's clean and outstanding shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Okay, we're going to take a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire's brand new. Look at that. Outstanding condition. Brand new condition. Look at that. Very nice. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape also. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire looks brand new. Really amazing condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Does have a little scuff right here on the rim, but besides that, is in beautiful condition. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire looks brand new. Really outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape also. Look at that. Very nice. Well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2020 Chevy Equinox LT model. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information, novaautosales.net. Thanks for watching.